Welcome to OSSTrader. Are you feeling lost and overwhelmed in the futures market? You're not alone, and you've come to the right place. Whether you're a seasoned pro, a beginner, trading full-time, part-time, or just on the side, this channel is dedicated to transforming your trading. At OSSTrader, we believe in the one-shot sniper approach to trading, reflecting the patience and precision needed for consistent profitability. Success in trading is grabbed, not given. It's about making well-informed decisions, staying disciplined, and seizing the right opportunities. And with the amount of legit prop firms in the market, the opportunity is out there. On this channel, you'll find strategies, tips, and insights to help you navigate the complexities of the futures market and achieve your trading goals. Every week, we'll dive into market analysis, trading strategies, and real-time insights to keep you ahead of the curve. Hit that subscribe button and join the OSSTrader community today.